Welcome, makers, to Stage 2, the swan's neck and head. Just like in Stage 1, whether you're creating the Moon King Swan or the Sun Queen Swan, every royal swan is shaped the same way. In this stage, we'll form the elegant neck and the soft, rounded head, the features that give your swan its personality and grace. So settle in, relax your hands, and let's get started. First, fold a pipe cleaner in half and twist it to form a firm core. Bend one end into a small circle. This will become the base of the head. Keep your twist loose and even. If you over-tighten it, the wool will be harder to wrap later. Next, insert the end of the pipe cleaner into your swan's chest. Push the pipe cleaner in until it feels stable. Then shape it into a gentle S-curve, rising naturally from the body. Use your 36-gauge needle to felt around the insertion point, securing it firmly. Take a small strip of core wool and wrap it around the area where the neck meets the body. Needle felt with your 36-gauge needle, tacking that wool firmly so the joint feels smooth and secure. Now wrap your core wool up along the pipe cleaner, starting from the chest and moving upward. Keep your fibers smooth and slightly tight, overlapping as you go. Tack the wool with your 36-gauge needle, just shallow stabs for now. Avoid deep stabbing at this stage. Use the remaining wool at the tip to shape the head. Wrap it around the circular end of the pipe cleaner and needle felt gently with your 36-gauge needle. Focus your felting mostly here, defining a soft rounded head and the beginning of your swan's face. For the final step, take a small tuft of loosened core wool and place it over the chest where the neck joins the body. Needle felt with short, firm strokes using your 36-gauge needle until the joint feels smooth and seamless. If your neck looks uneven or bumpy, just add thin layers of wool and felt gently. Rotate the neck often as you work. That's the secret to a smooth, graceful curve. And for reference, your full neck and head length from tip to base should be around 9 centimeters, or about 3.5 inches. Beautiful work, makers. Stage 2 is complete. Your swan now has a graceful neck and a sweet little head taking shape.